Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll embark on a journey into the intriguing world of chillers and their preventive maintenance schedules. We'll not only explore what chillers are and how they function, but also delve into the vital role of preventive maintenance. So if you're a part of a maintenance or operations team, stick around for some key insights and pro tips that could make your life easier. Let's get started. First, let's dive right into the world of chillers and their preventive maintenance schedules and checklists. If you're working with chillers, you know that common preventive maintenance typically involves cleaning, monitoring temperature and pressure, and general system testing. Depending on the tasks, technicians might need to perform them daily or as infrequently as once a year. So what exactly are chillers? Well, they're usually found in refrigeration systems, helping to cool segments of processes or spaces. They operate using either a vapor compression or absorption cycle. Mechanical compression chillers are equipped with an evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. On the other hand, absorption chillers have an absorber and generator, replacing the compressor and expansion valve. Now let's talk about chiller maintenance, which is a two-part process. First, the chiller operation must be brought to peak efficiency. Then, it must be kept at that level. Basic maintenance should start with quarterly inspections, as per the manufacturer's operations manual. Maintenance technicians should look for refrigerant leaks and check oil levels, pressures, and temperatures regularly. They should also check motor voltages and amps, starters, relays, and contactors. Lastly, the technician should verify hot gas and unloader operations. Here's a pro tip for you. Use a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, to keep your preventive maintenance schedules in order and automatically generate inspection work orders at the right times. Now let's take a look at the preventive maintenance checklist. The tasks for chillers can be daily, weekly, semi-annually, or annually, depending on the nature of the task. For instance, technicians should complete a visual inspection on a daily basis when they program data points and sequencing. Every week, someone needs to inspect the evaporator and condenser coils, as well as the motor temperature. Chillers should also be tested for leaks, control operation, and water quality on a weekly basis. Items like load balances and limits can be inspected twice a year. A thorough cleaning, electrical system inspection, and other maintenance tune-ups should be performed annually. Not only will these preventive maintenance tasks help protect your investments, but they will also help you reduce energy usage. For more details, you can refer to the preventive maintenance checklist provided by the U.S. Department of Energy for chillers. These checklists are a great resource to ensure you're keeping your chillers in top condition. Remember, preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your chillers. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. We've explored the world of chillers, their operations, and the importance of preventive maintenance. Remember, using a CMMS can greatly simplify your maintenance tasks. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more such insightful content. For more information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.